we've all been there before. You hit the unlock button, but the car doesn't open on your door. What do? You push, nothing. Well, it turns out the battery's dead inside your fob, but you need to get in your car. I got a great tip, it's coming up. Hey, this is Anton from GT Canada. We're going to talk about a super important thing when you're driving a motor vehicle that everybody should know, but not everybody does know. So I'm going to introduce you to the car key. Today we're going to talk about how to unlock your car. Now, this is a special kind of key. It's actually cut on both sides. And what that means is you can actually use it both ways. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your key, you're going to stick it into the car. Now, because this is a double-sided key, I can take it out, I can flip it over and stick it back in, and it'll work the same way. So what I'm saying is, it doesn't matter which way the key is in the lock, it should work both ways. If it doesn't, if it only goes in one way, and it won't go the other way, then you have a single-sided key. That would be on an older car because they've been using these double-sided for quite a while now. So I'm going to show you here. It happens really quickly, so get ready for it. So we stick the key in. We're going to turn it one time to the right. And you see that? Just like that. And the door's unlocked. And that is how you unlock a car door. Hey, thanks for watching another GT Canada video. We got lots of great stuff in store, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can stay up to date on all the latest stuff as we upload it. Comment below and watch the next video.